This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101. Now, this is another very important slide because it has so many definitions on just one slide. This is slide 9 of chapter 19. And so, obviously, in a contract, the obligor is the person who has the duty to perform. The obligee is the person entitled to receive performance. There's the entitlement to rights. An insurance company, the beneficiary is entitled to the payout of the face value of, or at least their pro rata share of the face value of the premiums, of the designated face value of the policy. Duties, what are the performance obligations? We talked about the word assignment. It's to move rights or transfer of duties and rights. The assignor is the one who initiates the transfer, and the assignee receives the transfer. So again, slide 9, I highly recommend you keep track of this slide with such a good list of definitions. Also, many students get confused on the what I call the ORs and the EEs, the obligor versus the obligee. So please keep that in mind as to which direction. One of the ways to handle this, and they didn't use this in this set of slides, is to do a diagram that shows how the rights and duties are being assigned. Usually it looks like an upside down delta. Something like that helps you to keep track graphically of which party has done what and where the beneficiary is. So something to keep in mind there in terms of keeping track of this. In addition, assignment does not require consideration, though it may at some situations. My children have never consented to my designating them as the beneficiaries of my insurance policy. I'm sure they would agree to that. The only thing they might do is to say, well, we're going to accept it, but on behalf of our children, my grandchildren, that they would do that. Now, oftentimes the contract restricts assignment. If it does not, then both the rights and duties may be freely assigned, as this slide indicates. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.